guys, it's me Elise, and I hope that you guys are all doing well. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great Christmas and got everything that you wanted. But just in case you guys didn't, you still have time to treat yourself by getting this wig here today. But I'm starting off this new year with a brand new wig from Unice, and if you guys check the info section below, I will have all the information and details provided there, as well as a discount code. So just in case you guys are interested in saving 10%, as well as to receive a free silk robe that's valued at $50, use discount code Nice Laced to be able to get some goodies and save some cash. But this is the wig that I have here today. I have their 22-inch body wave V-part wig, and this is what it looks like. My wig is also 150% density, looks super gorgeous. Now, usually I like to go in and shampoo, condition up my wig. However, I decided not to because I wanted to keep some of the volume. It's looking really nice. So I'm just going to go in and do some subtle wand curls. So I'm starting off using my Silkening heat protectant. I'm going to apply that all over the hair just so we can get some sheen going on, as well as to protect the hair from being damaged. And I'm using my curling wand, and I haven't used this in years. Like literally I found this in my appliance drawer, and I'm like, you know what, I think I'm going to do some wand curls today. So even though this is the V-part wig, I will be pulling out a little bit of my hair to blend in with the texture of this wig. And I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering how I'm gonna do that, but I made it work. But I'm literally pulling out the smallest amount, like that's all I'm using. Just enough to cover up the band along the V-part, just because I don't want to add much heat to my hair. Even though I've been wearing my hair in like this blowout style, I don't want to put that much more heat on my hair, especially the hair that's around the front of my face, because that hair is already pretty badly damaged. But that's all I'm pulling out, and I'm just gonna just put the rest of my hair in a really low ponytail. Then I'm gonna braid it down just so that it's out the way. So once again, here's the inside of the wig. You have 4 clips, 3 combs, and adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig, and you want to be really careful because these wefted clips are known for breaking your hair off, shredding your hair up. Be very careful when applying these. For that reason alone, just because it's so close to my edges, I'm only going to use 2 of the wefted clips. I'm not going to use all 4, but I'm also going to use the combs in order to properly secure the wig down. Make sure you pull your stocking cap back so it's not exposed. But now I'm going to go ahead and try to blend my hair in with the wig. I'm going to use smallest amount of heat. I have my flat iron set to about 360 degrees. I probably didn't even need it that hot, but I'm just doing like a small little bump, like not even anything like too drastic, just to like get my hair to look as close as possible to the wig. You know, the purpose is for it to look natural, right? So I'm just going to do one pass with my flat iron over my hair, and then I'm just going to comb and brush my hair just until it begins to blend, as well as cover up the band along the V part. So here is the completed look. What do you guys think? Are you guys liking it as much as I am? I find it to look super natural, super realistic. However, I do wish that I pulled out a little more hair just so that way I felt more comfortable about the band not showing, because I feel like with just the slightest amount of wind, the band is going to be exposed, and I'm not too confident about that. But there's different methods that you can use that's floating around here on YouTube. You can do the crochet method. You can wear the V-part wig the way that you're supposed to with no leave out, or you can blend in your hair in with it. There's so many different options that you guys can take. I prefer to pull my hair out just because I find that that is the fail-proof, natural looking method. However, if you don't have too much hair, you know, do the crochet method or wear the V-part wig how it comes. There's so many different options and I'm here for it. But once again, you guys do check out Unice. I'll have all the information located in the info section below. Take advantage of their 7th anniversary sale that's currently going on right now, as well as do use my discount code to save 10%, as well as to receive a free silk robe. Use discount code Nice Lace to save some cash and get some goodies. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.